If your windows have broken or missing weather stripping, you're basically letting cold air sneak in, and your energy bills skyrocket. Okay, so first off, check what kind of weather stripping your windows need, because there are a few types like foam, felt, or vinyl. You want to clean the area where the old stuff was before putting on new weather stripping, otherwise it won't stick right. Measure the length of the window edges carefully so you don't buy too much or too little tape. Peel off the backing slowly and press the new strip firmly along the frame, making sure it fits snug without gaps. If your windows open and close, pick a type that won't get in the way or wear out fast. Weather stripping is super cheap but saves you tons on heating or cooling bills, so don't skip it. Do a quick check every year to see if it's still in good shape, since sun and weather can mess it up over time. If you want extra protection, combine weather stripping with caulking around window edges for the best seal. One of the biggest mistakes is buying the wrong kind of weather stripping for your window type, which means it won't seal properly and you're wasting money. Fix this by doing a quick online search or asking at a hardware store to match the strip to your window style. Another common issue is not cleaning the surface before applying the weather stripping, so it peels off quickly. Just wipe down with rubbing alcohol for a clean base. People also often cut the strips too short or too long. Always measure twice before cutting to avoid gaps or bunching that ruins the seal. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix windows right without charging a fortune. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people nearby who need their skills for projects like replacing weather stripping or other home repairs.